Power off and remove the AC supply plug from air conditioner unit. Open by lift up front panel from side to side position. Remove by lift up the air filter. Remove the other side. Clean the air filter with water to remove the dust. Dry it after finish clean. Remove the front panel by push the lock angle side by side. Unscrew or remove the screw at cover panel. Disconnect the cable from locking cone wire. Remove 2 screw at cabinet. Remove the swing louver guide. Press out the center lock. Slowly press out the holder stand. Press out the right position. Lift up the cover and remove the screw at 2 locations. Remove the cabinet by lift it up slowly. Slowly press down the air louver slot. Air conditioner cleaning cover. Water out hose. Assemble the water hose to cleaning cover. Place the cleaning cover AC into air conditioner unit. Clean with cloth. Use brush to remove the dust. Turn on to press position. Spray to the coil area. Wait for a few minutes until the dust slowly removes from the coil. Spray the clean water to the coil area. Remove the cleaning cover. Slowly install back the cabinet starting from top side lock. Insert and screw back the bottom cover. Insert and screw back the cabinet screw. Insert back the air louver. Make sure to insert at air louver slot hook. Insert the swing louver guide. Press in the slot hook into the center hole. Install back the front panel by press the angle hook at right and left corner. Insert the cone wire locking cable. Arrange the cable into the slot area. Screw back the cover panel. Install the air filter. Press down the front panel. Insert the AC plug socket and power on the switch. Power on the air conditioner unit and confirm the operation. Make sure the air conditioner works well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.